In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your future projections for your YouTube channel. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are curious of your future projections and, for example, when you would be expected to reach 100,000 subscribers based on your channel's performance right now, what you can do is first of all come over to something called Social Blade. So if I click on my little bookmark there, what that will do is it will bring me over to Social Blade's website. And then what you need to do is you need to go over to YouTube, and then you will need to head over to your channel. So once you head over to your channel, you need to copy this section of the URL, which will redirect Social Blade over to your channel. So once you copy that, enter it into this box here. Once you have entered it into that box, you can now click on the search icon. Once you click on the search icon, you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see, Social Blade is sort of a data tracking site, and it will track a lot of data from your YouTube channel. So for example, how many uploads you have, how many subscribers, video views, etc. So if you want to see future projections, what you can do is come to this bar here and then click on the future projections tab. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this page here. And as you can see, my future projections are right here. So they think I will reach, in 12 months time, they think I will have 7,000 subscribers and 4 million total views on my channel. So you can go ahead and look through these, and for example, again after 2 years time, I will have 11,000 subscribers and 13 million views based on my channel performance right now at this moment. So that's how you can go ahead and check your future projections for your YouTube channel.